BabyTales.
Hello, sweet tooth artists and creative minds. Today, we're indulging our artistic senses as we draw and color a delightful scene featuring colorful jelly in a dish and some tempting jelly beans. Get ready for a burst of color and sweetness. Let's start by sketching out our delectable jelly in a dish. Picture a wobbly, colorful delight that's almost too pretty to eat. Sketch the dish, add those curves, and imagine the vibrant layers of jelly. Now, let's draw some jelly beans to add a playful touch. Draw different shapes and sizes. The more colorful, the better. These little beans will make our scene even more exciting. Let's add some mouthwatering details to our scene. Think about reflections on the jelly, maybe some sugar crystals or sprinkles, and make those jelly beans shine with vibrant colors. It's all about the sweet details. To bring this sugary masterpiece to life with color, choose your favorite hues for the jelly layers and the jelly beans. Let your imagination guide you. You can even create unique flavors for each layer. This is your sweet masterpiece, so feel free to get creative. Add a background, maybe some spoons or even a dollop of whipped cream. Let your creativity flow like a river of chocolate. And there you have it, a colorful jelly in a dish surrounded by tempting jelly beans. We've turned our paper into a canvas of sweetness and joy. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your artistic adventures be as sweet as candy.